good, baby? What's good? You know, we back at it. My G. My G, baby. You know what it be? He's back at it again with the Vans. You know I got them Vans on. Matt got the Vans. Billy got Vans. Zach got Vans. We all with the Vans. All with the Vans. We got a bike with a decal wrap. The only bike with the decal wrap. I see you, boy. 1,000,001 stickers on that thing. Pull up, pull up. Yeah, you like that? Oh, smoke in the pack. Ah, let's get some aerodynamics. Get some aerodynamics. You must got something done to his. Hey, boy. Where's James at? Where's James the 300 swap? That ain't James. That fool about to go straight through that light too. This guy. Everybody needs to know where to go, but they don't, but they don't, but they don't. He got a whole dirt bike fender.
Don't ride behind them either. You fucking smoke light, he shoots oil out of shit and get all over your body.
Really?
Once we take off, I gotta get the fuck away from him.
Huh. That boy got a whole dirt bike front fender on the back.
RZ.
Starting to warm up.
Get a wheel and everybody loves it.
Yeah?
I'm all wheeling.
That's what happens. I said that's what happens. What is that noise? Somebody rattle tattle tat, rat tat tat it up, tat 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 it up, tat 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 it up. I don't know if Zach gonna pop wheelie or not. I gotta stay clear. I see you. Let's go. I was trying to get close to him. As soon as I got close, he put it down. Hey, hey, pulling up at the light. You already know it's the bike light. What?
Did you get that on video?
Barely.
Barely? Talking about when I stopped you there?
Not until I felt it. Let's go, Zachy. Zack Attack. Rocking the matte black. Gold on the lens. Whipping that bike like it's a Benz. Ooh, skirt, skirt. Pull up in it, her. Look at them, look at them. They getting crazy out here. That boy's stupid. That boy's stupid, yeah. That's that Zack attack. Y'all ain't ready for that. Momming through the city, where your mama at? Oh, I got bars. I thought I told him I had bars though. He turning it. Oh, lean with it. He almost made the turn. Look at these goons. They gooning, giving me opportunity. Look at Billy. I see ya.
What?
I see ya.
Yeah, I did a long intake, put my baffle back in. I got my fucking bottom end back.
Yeah.
James went home?
No, he went to go poo-poo at McDonald's.
Oh. I figured he said he would have to shit sometime soon.
Zach almost fell.
He got sideways.
Oh, this battery about to die. Hopefully it's got enough juice to make it to the lot. That's where we're headed now. We shall see. We shall see.
Hey, what you did?
Look at this fool. What are you doing, Kyle? We picked up 2 more bikes, Kyle and his friend, on the OGs.
Well, second gear wheelies are fun now.
What you got done to it?
Just Barnett clutches.
Clutches?
That's it. That's factory motor on 9,100 miles.
9,100?
Factory motor. I ain't touched it.
I got 6,600.
Damn, son, you need new tires.
I know. Tell me something I don't know. I need new tires, bro. Which way they want to go? Which way we going?
Go out right here and go straight up.
Let's get it. Let's go, Zack attack. Turn around. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 bikes, bro. 14 bikes.
Oh, yeah, it is. Yeah, I know. We ain't had a pretty day in a few weeks.
Been a while, huh?
Uh-huh.
It's been the other days a while, because I think we're going to weekend. That's the again.
Yep.
Yeah.
It just be like that.
All right, y'all have fun, man.
You too, bud. You sound like Cat Williams. Hey, that white Ford's still back there. The what? That white Ford, one of ours is still back there. One of the trucks just pulled out.
I need like 30 cents.
What's that other one?
Come on, the camera's rolling. Let's go. Camera's rolling. Come on. Not so soon. They turn the camera back on. Let's go. Where you at, Dylan? Poo poo. You can't do it on camera. I know he's not. No, you won't. He ain't gonna do it. I bet you won't.
What?
I bet you won't.
Dude, maybe that way.
That would make the video.
Dude, that's I don't think I can do it. That's saying though.
I know, it's gonna fuck. As soon as you hit it, you're gonna bury into it. Pulling up. Oh, goodness. I want to do that one where you get on the bike and pull out in front of the camera and go like
Wait, so what?
basically like it's one of the songs that are like
Yeah, that's the box. Yeah.
I want to say it's something else though.
That's the box.
I mean I know that's the one that does it.
About
It might be
where it's like
Usher.
beep beep.
The one where they do all the cabinet and shit with.
Yeah, that's the box.
No, they do it to Usher too.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah, you should video that for me right quick.
Yeah. Hey.
Alright.
I think it look cool.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Alright. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Do another dance. I'm gonna do this one.
You gonna do that one? I'm gonna be like,
Alright. Just start going. Go. Alright.